Yo, what's up good people of YouTube? Welcome back to Dom's Media Zone. Today we're going to be doing a comparison video between two Canon lenses, one being the 24mm Pancake lens, and we're going to put that one up against the 18 to 55mm stock kit lens. This video is for you if you're somebody that wants to see how these two lenses go against each other and perhaps maybe make a decision which lens to purchase for a similar setting such as this one being the indoors YouTube type studio like you're seeing right now. Without further ado, let's jump into it. A quick few things to point out is that this video is being recorded on the Canon 90D camera at 4K video and at 24 frames per second. So both lenses, we're going to use exactly the same settings. Both the lenses are going to be set at 24mm to even out the comparison. And lastly, we are using an external microphone, so do not take the sound into this consideration. We are recording on the same camera, but we're not using the Canon sound. We're using an external microphone. Everything else we're going to leave the same. The lighting, the setup, and the distance from myself to the camera will be the same for both lenses. The distance currently is about 1.5 meters, so this is an arm's length plus another half an arm's length, so about 1.5 meters away from the camera. We're going to leave the camera in the same position because both lenses will be set to 24mm, so it should look very similar. So currently I've been using the 24mm Pancake lens from Canon. This is the lens that just comes at one focal length, which is 24mm. You cannot zoom in or out. This lens will cost you around 150 British pounds if you want to buy it today. This is how the video from this lens looks. This is what you've been watching on, and we're going to jump into it straight away and compare it to the 18 to 55mm Canon lens at 24mm right now. Okay, here we are with the Canon 18 to 55mm kit lens. We've switched over now, so what do you think? Does it look any better or any worse, or is it the same? Can you even tell a difference? You let me know in the descriptions. Is it worth, maybe if this came with the camera, would you consider forking out additional money and buying the 24mm lens if you're not going to use it for anything other than a YouTube type of studio setup like this one right here? This lens currently costs around 170 pounds, so it's slightly more expensive than the 24mm Pancake lens, and this is a kit lens, so very often it comes as a pack with the camera all in one. Do let me know, what do you think? Is there a difference? Have a look. The lighting, the setup is all exactly the same. I haven't moved anything. The only thing I've done is switch the lens on the camera to show you if there's a difference or not. And for comparison, we're gonna jump into the 24mm lens one more time. Okay, and now we're back to the Canon 24mm Pancake lens, which is the non-zoom in or zoom out lens. And this is once again for your comparison. This is how the video would look. So can you see a difference? Which one looks better, or are they similar or identical? You tell me. Leave your comments in the descriptions. I'm only going to review this video after recording it, so do leave your comments. Let me know which one you think was better. Was it the 24mm set length Pancake lens, or was it the 18 to 55mm Canon kit lens? And for the last time, we're gonna jump into the Canon 18 to 55mm kit lens, and let's switch over right now. Let me know what you think. Is it better? Is it worse? How does it perform? Is it worth upgrading to a 24mm or not at all? From what I can see on the little screen when I'm recording, it looks very similar to me. I don't really see much of a difference, but that could be maybe noticeable on a bigger screen. But yeah, so I do hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you out. I hope it assists you in making a right decision which lens to purchase or not to purchase. And stay tuned for more videos like this. If you do enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up and do hit the subscribe button. And this is a new channel, so we are starting from the bottom up, so it will take a while. But yeah, thank you so much for your support and enjoy. Bye bye.